Hi, this is Tech with Costa, and I'm sharing my engineering journey. Now it's time to download and install Docker Desktop on Windows, and before that, let's run the following command and confirm that Docker is not accessible yet on the terminal. So let's create a new terminal and just run Docker, and as you can see, it didn't find anything. So we need to download Docker for Windows. So go to docker.com and find the download for Windows link, download the setup, execute the installer, click yes. I don't need a shortcut to desktop, click OK. This takes a while. Okay, so installation succeeded, close. If your Windows version is not home, mine is, imagine instead of home is, for example, enterprise or other, you might see an additional tick box during setup. If so, do use WSL 2 instead of Hyper-V, because if you use WSL 2, it has more performance comparing to Hyper-V. Since I have Windows Home, that didn't show up during the installation. After this, run Docker Desktop after installation. So just search for it, Docker Desktop, and run it. You should see something like this: Docker subscription service agreement, accept, skip survey, starting the Docker engine. In my case, I'm already logged in because this is not the first time I've installed Docker in this computer. But if Docker at this point asks you to sign up or to sign in, I recommend that you create an account on Docker and sign in. In this case, you see that I'm already signed in with Tech with Costa. So create an account and sign in. Then check for updates on the bottom right corner. There's a new version available for me. I click here, download update, update and restart. Click yes. And then it will refresh Docker and install the new update. Okay, the update just finished. Open Docker Desktop and you should see engine running on green color and the latest version has been installed. Dismiss all, and that's it. Then ping Docker to taskbar. At this point, save your stuff and restart your Windows machine. So after restarting the machine, run Docker Desktop again. Okay, maximize it. And you can always check if Docker is running or not in the Windows system tray icon in the bottom right corner. So here. And you see Docker Desktop running, right click it, you can quit, restart, pause, and yeah, you see that I'm logged in here and Docker Desktop is running. Then the thing that you have to ensure to make sure that Docker is properly connected and set up with WSL is the following. Open Docker, go to settings, then go to general, and you need to make sure that this thing is ticked on. So you need to make sure that use the WSL2 based engine is on. Windows Home can only run the WSL2 backend. WSL2 provides better performance than the Hyper-V backend, the thing I've mentioned in the beginning. So this needs to be activated. Additionally, go to resources, WSL integration. This needs to be enabled. Enable integration with my default WSL distro, and then enable integration with additional distros. Enable this, apply and restart, and then click cancel. That's it. It should work now. Run Docker on the Linux terminal. Let me enter my passphrase. Run Docker, and you should see an output like this. You can even run Docker -- version to see the current version. So Docker is running now within WSL, but installed on Windows. Good luck. Peace.